front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to tap on this section called Users and Accounts. Then select Open under Google. Click on Google Password Manager and tap on any password you want to edit. Enter your current login method. Hit Edit button next to the Delete one and change whatever you wish. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!